one of Joe's coworkers is like really into drones and sold us this drone. Pretty good price. We're really thankful for that because this one's been wanting a drone for forever, really. And I told him Merry Christmas and Happy New Year because here you go. Here's your Christmas gift. About to fly our drone here. And Katana's just chilling by our bags. But wish us luck on our first flight with our drone. We just finished flying the drone. Again, I'll put the video in. We took like 4 videos. The batteries are almost dead, so we weren't able to do like a long video with it. We were just kind of like playing around with it.
Hi, good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to the Dole Plantation and somewhat of a late start, but our room was dirty and finally got room service, so had them clean our room.
But now we're on the road, and well, actually we're still in park, but we're gonna be on the road here in a couple minutes. We drove by it. I don't remember if it was in our video or not, but we drove by it like when we first got here. I think one of the first weekends we were here, and it was cool. So we thought we'd check it out since it was on one of the list of things to do here. So might as well do it, you know. So we're gonna head there today, and we're gonna check it out. I heard that the Dole Whip is like a necessary, like have to do it, like have to do it. And my uncle really likes Dole Whip, so I think this is where he tried Dole Whip, which was here in Hawaii. Probably gonna send him a picture and tell him I got some Dole Whip. He loves Dole Whip, and I love my uncle. I miss him so much. And we're gonna be heading there now. Should be about 45 minutes. 28 minutes, wow. It's probably gonna be 45 minutes though with Hawaiian traffic. It's crazy. We're here! Finally, after a little bit of traffic, so we're gonna go check it out. I'm excited. There's a little, I read online, there's a little train here called the Pineapple Express, which Joe's really excited about getting on. Let's go check it out. Plantation is their garden maze, which they actually won 2008's world largest maze. Before we start the maze, we're gonna pull over real quick and fly our drone over the maze so you guys can get a little aerial view of what it looks like. So in the picture here, it looks like there's a pineapple in the middle and then a bunch of different like ways through. So we're gonna try to get a cool video of it.
Going up to the line for the Pineapple Express. It's a first come, first serve basis, so make sure you make priority to get in line for this.
This 2-mile, 22-minute train ride will take you through a working plantation of pineapple and other crops.
This is pretty cool. I just found it. It's a pineapple knife. So you see these things all the time in like Bed Bath & Beyond where you like got the thing that cuts off the pineapple and like pulls out the middle stuff. But look, it's a cute little knife.
You can get 2 of these for like $40 or 6 of them for $70.
I think I want one of these.
So this is the unroasted cocoa.
Look at all of this.
And they have roasted cocoa. And then they grind it down into nibs. And then right down to paste.
It's like
where they make it into chocolate.
But like this. She was making me do a tour of this store. But like earlier, we showed you the chocolate. But now in here they have like the little process of how the chocolate's done. So harvesting, fermentation, drying, roasting, and then down all the way over here, it just shows you how they refine it to make the chocolate bar itself. So it's really cool. Honestly, I'm trying to figure out how much the stupid chocolate bar is because there's nobody over here, and I really want a chocolate bar. It's gonna be a thrill.
They have a little spot for doggos.
I have a very strong love for cotton candy. Like, I like the blue cotton candy, but I'll take cotton candy anytime. This one's pineapple flavored, and then this one's passion fruit flavored. Out of these two, leave a comment. Which one would you try?
Is everyone ready? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna cut the pineapple now, okay? What you can do is you cut up the fruit in half. And this part right here, this is the core. And you always want to take out the core because this is the hardest part of it. Add that pineapple flavor to it. You can use the core. You just dip it in there like this. Just scoop everything out from the shell. So just water and then just add a little bit of salt. There you do that. And just cut it in pieces. You just, if you serve it, just do it this way. Okay? It's pineapple bowl. So what I did, I just cut it in pieces and you just push it in and out. Just put the lingmoy, which is the plum powder. The powder is a little bit sweet and salty.
After the pineapple demonstration, they allow you to get like some of the pineapple that they cut. So I got 2 pieces, one for him, one for me. So we're gonna try it now.
And what's it covered with?
Oh, I gotta start explaining that. So they have a powder that's mixed with like a little bit of mango, and I can't remember what else. What did it say? What she said? Mango powder.
Mango and like a couple like other spices.
I just remember her saying that.
Because we took a video of it.
All I remember her saying was that it's really sweet, which I just tried it, and it does make the pineapple a lot sweeter.
And they do the pineapple cutting demonstrations every hour. So if you miss it the first hour, just make sure you come back. Another thing to mind about the powder is that it will stain your fingers red.
We're in line. We're gonna go ahead and get our Dole Whip here and a small lunch. Honestly, we're not gonna get back in this line again, so we're just gonna go ahead and get the Dole Whip with our lunch. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get though. I'm looking at this pineapple chili bowl.
The world famous Dole Whip with pineapple topping.
Oh, Joseph.
Oh, another stray cat. What? And we also got French fries, a pineapple hot dog. We got a jumbo 44-ounce Sprite. It's one of those freestyle machines. I'm absolutely blown away. Maybe after we drink this, we'll go back inside and experiment with some of the flavor combinations. So Simran just found a stray cat at the Dole Plantation.
Cats don't like Joe, so of course it's gonna go away.
Oh my goodness. French fry.
You want a French fry?
Oh, smear.
It took a French fry from me. Oh. Do you like French fries? French fries are yummy.
How do you feel right now?
I'm happy and I want a cat. We just finished eating. We're gonna do our last thing, which is the garden tour.
Bananas! Also, just another little thing. This red dirt stains everything. Shoes, clothes, you name it.
Look at my
It's a
shoes,
mess.
guys. They're in the bottoms.
Yeah, look at the bottom of my shoe. Look at this bench!
Like always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave comments. We'd love to read those. And like I said, let us know, would you try the passion fruit or the pineapple cotton candy? Anyways, also don't forget to hit that notification button, because every time we upload, which is pretty regularly, then you'll get a notification on your phone just letting you know, new video up. That way you guys can keep updated on all new videos and whatnot. We've had a great time here at the Dole Plantation. If you're ever here in Hawaii, in the North Shore of Oahu, be sure to check it out. Very inexpensive, really great way to actually see firsthand how Hawaii grows their pineapples, how they, do all of their farming here for local fruits. Staying loose and keep an ear out.